Welcome back all my followers, subscribers and friends. This video is going to demonstrate the AI find and replace tool. Now, I absolutely love this tool because what you can do is literally just like in text where you find and replace, literally the same thing in videos. Now, if you don't believe me, just check this out. Let me jump into my screen here. And this is the image generation tools category, which has all of these tools, including the YouTube thumbnail generator, which I used to get you to click on this video. But in this video, we're going to look at this specific tool, and then we're going to test it out to see if it really works or not. So use text to find and replace in images. So it's free to use up to 5 times. So let's try it right now. So to get started, you have to upload an image. So you click here. That's the only thing on the page, just to click here to upload an image. So I'm going to upload this image right here. And this image is a dog with a bunch of birds which are flying in the background. You'll see it pop up in a second when it uploads. Okay, so there's 3 birds and a dog in the image. It's a very nice image, very pleasing. Now, if I type birds, which is in the find box, birds, and replace them with with bees, and click modify, then in a matter of time, these birds will disappear and there will be bees instead of it. When that happens, I'll immediately be taken to that image, which is going to be at the bottom of the page. So let's wait for that to happen right now as I speak. And then after that, we're going to do something different to this image to see if it works in all cases. So as you can see, it's worked perfectly. Let me zoom out here so you can see it. This is the image. It's already downloaded. It just downloads automatically. You can also see the full image by clicking on it. You'll be able to just see the full quality image. So as you can see, they fit in. They're like pixelated exactly like the image is. And it's a perfect job done by this app. Now let's try something different. Instead of birds to bees, let's type dog to change to a monkey, just as another try. And of course, this is fun to play with, but really this can be very useful in certain cases where you create something with AI like a coloring book page and you want to remove one of the artifacts or one of the things on the page. You just upload it to this app, tell it what you want to remove, and it will replace it. In the next video, I'm going to show, there's a brush and fill, which is a bit more appropriate for that coloring page example. But here we are, a monkey's been replaced by the dog. You can see he fits in perfectly to the image. It just feels like it's just really was taken with a monkey. Even though all of these images were generated with AI, I do have to say that this looks really quite real and it could definitely be used in commercial purposes. Okay, that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to demonstrate the brush and fill app, which you can find over here. And just remember, generate.net is just a bunch of AI tools, which we keep adding more and more tools to. These are the text tools, these are the image tools, these are the audio tools, the book creation tools, the chatbot tools, and the rewriter. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.